NB-IoT and LTE-M Crash Course Training. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course Training. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to physical devices that are now connected to the Internet and often to each other, collecting and sharing data. By 2020, Cisco estimates that there will be 50 to 200 billion connected devices worldwide. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course Training. Consequently, two new low-power wide area (LPWA) technologies have been developed for IoT applications: NB-IoT, Narrowband-IoT, and LTE-M, long-term evolution for machines. Both are protocols for low-bandwidth cellular communications that connect to Internet devices that need to transmit small amounts of data, with the lower costs, both hardware and subscription, and the higher battery life. These are the important features to know about NB-IoT technologies. Low costs. The NB-IoT modules have lower costs than the modules for other communication technologies in the market, like 3G, 4G, GPRS, and also LTE-M. This cost is, currently, around $10, and is expected to be between $5 and $7 eventually. From a user point of view, it is important to underline that the subscription cost will be cheaper than current M2M communications. More cellular per cell. NB-IoT devices uses 180 kHz bandwidth, so it is estimated the network supports more than 100.000 connections per cell. Excellent penetration in indoors and underground. These are the important features to know about LTE-M. Uplink and downlink speed. Up to 1 Mbps, which is quite more than NB-IoT. VoLTE. This technology supports voice. Mobility. LTE-M is prepared for devices and movement. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course Training. Tonex offers LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course Training, a new 2-day customized LTE training that focuses on fundamentals of LTE access technology. The training course provides an in-depth overview of the various aspects of the new LTE-based radio, LTE-M connectivity and NB-IoT concepts optimized for IoT. Intended audience for LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course Training. Engineers. Technical and product marketing professional working for wireless operators. Utility companies. Equipment and device manufacturers. Security professionals, IoT architects and designers. Learning objectives. Upon completion of this 2-day course, the participants can list IoT and 3GPP, GSMA, E2T and ETSI references. Differentiate between 3GPP and non-3GPP IoT standards. Describe 3GPP network characteristics. Describe cellular network architecture, LTE radio and backbone. List LTE radio and backbone features. Learn more about 3GPP standardized IoT features. Distinguish among MTC, IMP, LTE-M, and NB-IoT. Describe IoT and LTE-M use cases. Differentiate between LTE-M and NB-IoT standards. Explain wireless optimizations techniques, tools for IoT such as Power Save Mode, PSM, and EdgeWorks. Course agenda. Overview of basic 3GPP and LTE network terms. 3GPP network characteristics. LTE radio and backbone features. Overview of 3GPP, GSMA, E2T and ETSI references IoT. 3GPP standardized IoT features. Overview of LPWA, comparison between LTE, NB-IoT, and LTE-M. Overview of LTE-M features. LTE-M architecture. LTE-M cellular technology details. 5G systems and IoT. LTE-M design, implementation, operations and maintenance, O&M, roadmaps. Learn more about NB-IoT and LTE-M Crash Course Training. Visit www.tonex.com.